Hello, and welcome to Cooking 100-Year-Old Recipes. I'm Stephanie, and in this episode, I'm making cauliflower a la Huntington. These are the ingredients I'll be using. It's a vinegar-based sauce, although it looks like hollandaise, but it's powerfully flavored. Let's get started. First, I mince up a little bit of shallot to infuse the vinegar prior to adding it to the sauce. The sauce will be heated over simmering water, double boiler style, and that will help emulsify everything together. After the shallots are minced and added to the vinegar, I start on the parsley, which also gets finely chopped, and it's added at the end. But I'm doing all the chopping now so that I can put the little cutting board away. Next, separate the yolks from the whites. In this recipe, we will only be using the yolks. Now that everything is prepped, I get a heat-proof safe bowl and add just a bit of mustard, which also helps emulsify and flavor the sauce. Then some salt to taste. Fanny Farmer uses powdered sugar, likely because it dissolves instantly. I found the sauce needed 3 times as much sweetener to soften the vinegar, and because it's not specified what type of vinegar to use, I used half white and half apple cider vinegar. And some paprika. And the egg yolks. I whisk it just a bit to combine it before putting it over the simmering water. Then some oil. And because the heat will help emulsify all of this, don't worry about it looking like the mixture might split when the oil is added. It will all come together just fine. Once it's over the simmering water, I whisk it. Bring it up just a bit in temperature before adding the infused vinegar. I left the shallots in, but the recipe could be interpreted to think they might have been strained out. I found they melted into the sauce, so it was a smooth texture when it was done. So it's your choice. See how thick it's getting? Looking like hollandaise, but it does not taste like hollandaise. Once it comes off the heat, I add in the butter, curry powder, and the fresh parsley I chopped earlier, and that finishes the sauce. I cooked the cauliflower fresh after the sauce was made. The sauce will stay combined while you do that. And I made biscuits earlier. because I'm serving it with meatloaf and biscuits. But I don't want my cauliflower to be soggy, so it definitely was made at the end. Then spoon the sauce over and enjoy your meal. It's delicious. I don't know that I would say it's child friendly if you have children because it's so strong with the vinegar and the curry powder. But I really enjoyed it and I definitely want to make it again. I also served it with leftover biscuits and ham the next day, and it was delicious with that as well. See you next time, and thanks for watching.